Alrighty, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you the best way on how you can use Chrome extensions on an Android phone. So make sure you watch this tutorial till the end to exactly know what to do. So here we are on Google Chrome. So using Chrome extensions on Android isn't officially supported in the regular Google Chrome app, but there is an easy workaround. What you need to do is just go to Play Store and just open a Play Store like this, and once you open it up, just simply search up Kiwi browser. So once you search up Kiwi browser, you'll be able to find it right over here. So just have internet, and let me just quickly go through my internet, and you just simply need to connect to, and download the Kiwi browser. And right over here, as you can see, this is the Kiwi browser that you need. So just simply download the Kiwi browser from Play Store and open it, and then in the address bar just type in Chrome / extensions and then enable developer mode, and then after that you can just simply search and install any extension like you do on PC. So yeah, this is it for this tutorial. I hope it actually helped you out. I'll see you soon in the next one.